SOLJETS presents this pristine Citation CJ2 Plus, serial number 360. This aircraft is enrolled in Williams TAP Elite engine plan and Textron's ProParts maintenance program. The aircraft features the Collins ProLine 21 avionics suite, with features including dual FMS 3000, Mark 7 enhanced ground proximity warning system, WAAS LPV, and ADS-B. This aircraft is complete with a 7-passenger interior, including a belted lav, all completed in recently refurbished heather gray leather. The exterior is complete with a Matterhorn white base and accented with navy blue and gold metallic striping. The Citation CJ2 Plus is known for its fuel efficiency, increased payload, and performance. With this aircraft's upgraded avionics, you can expect to cruise through the sky with comfort and ease. The 2007 Cessna Citation CJ2 Plus, serial number 360. SOLJETS. Freedom. Adventure. Delivered.